Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Baljinder from Punjabi University, Patiala. Today we are going to discuss about module, the impact of information and communication technology on society and libraries under the paper Academic Libraries. So student, let us see what we are going to learn in this module. Definition of information communication and information technology, information and communication technology, component used in information and communication technology, type of communication technology, the impact of information and communication technology on society. So let's start. What is information technology? What is information and communication technology? Information through ICT based educational institutions, business, industry, agriculture, research, entertainment, world, medicine and science have affected globally on economic, social and culture, political and individual through. The demand of society for information may differ from person to person, place to place, and from time to time in accordance with their specific requirements. People depend for information on friends, experts, printed books, serials, audiovisual material, etc. Information is power and it can change the world upside down. Information is source of both political and economic power. Nowadays, information is available in and can be used by people through technologies. The use of information through technology has become the need in daily life. Due to information technology, there has been digital divide in the society and a new term has come up called information society. The concept of information society emerged in the 1970s and by 1990, the term got popular in the present era. In an information society, the quality of life and prospect of for change in social and economic development depends upon information and its explosion. Now, throughout the world, the society is known and divided as an information-rich society and information-poor society. The change in the social structure has affected on the value of customs and economic activities of the society, and people are facing new challenges every day in life than ever before. If we see the definition of information, we find that the English word information was apparently derived from the Latin accusative form information about the nominative information meaning concept or idea. The word information has been explained in dictionaries as to give knowledge, news, tiding. As such, it comes with three levels of information: knowledge, news, tiding. According to Webster Third New International Dictionary, information is the process by which the form of an object of knowledge is impressed upon the apprehend mind so as to bring about the state of knowledge. According to the Merriam-Webster Online Dictionary, information is the communication or reception of knowledge or intelligence or knowledge obtained from investigation, study, or instruction. It is intelligence, news, facts, and data. According to Online Dictionary for Library and Information Science, information is data presented in readily comprehensive form to which meaning has been attributed within the context of its use. In a more dynamic sense, information is the message conveyed by the use of medium, communication, or expression. Whether a specific message is informative or depend in the part of the subjective perception of the person receiving it. The word communication originated from the Latin word communius, means common. As per the Oxford English Dictionary defines, communication is imparting, conveying or exchanging of ideas and knowledge, whereby speech, writing, or a sign. Information is only communicated between individual or a group, between a group by means of verbal, non-verbal, signs, symbols, signals, radio, television, mobile phone, computers, etc. According to the Columbian Encyclopedia of Communication, communication is the transfer of thoughts and message as contrasted with the transportations of goods and person. The revolution in computers and communication have transformed the application of computers into information technology. The rapid development in information technology brought the revolutionary changes in the information processing, storages, dissemination and distribution, and become a key integrant in the bringing up great changes over the aspect of society. Communication is the process of transmission and acquisition of information. If information is created, it must be transmitted to others by the best use of it. Thus, communication is the act of transmission of information from one person to another and one place to other. For conveying or transmission of information, a medium is needed. That is, the communication to be done through verbal or non-verbal medium. Today, information is communicated through technology, that is computer, communication technology, reprography, micrography, and the printing technology. Technology is the study of tools and techniques to accomplish the satisfactory preparation, plans, and design. The term information technology is a combination of two words. One is information and the second is technology. The meaning of information technology: application is used of technology in the creating, collection, processing, organizing, and the storing, retrieval, and dissemination of information. The term information technology has varying interpretations. Macmillan Dictionary of Information Technology define IT as the acquisition, processing, storage, and dissemination of verbal, pictorial, textual, and numerical information by a microelectronic based combination of computing and telecommunication. UNESCO defined information technology as scientific, technological, and engineering disciplines and the management techniques used in information handling and processing information, their application, computers, and their interaction with man and machine, associated social, economic, and culture matters. ILA glossary states information technology is the application of the computer and other technology to the acquisition, organization, storage, retrieval, and dissemination of information. Information technology can be a combination of information and technology. It deals with the study of computer, telecommunication, microelectronics, etc. And the storage, organization, and retrieval of information are important function of it. Information communication technology, that is ICT, generally relates to those technology that are used for accessing, gathering, manipulating, and presenting or communication of information. The technology could include hardware, that is computer and other devices, software application, and connectivity, that is access to the internet, local networking infrastructure, and video conferencing. ICT is a combination of hardware, software, telecommunication, and internet that enables society to create, collect, consolidate, and communicate the information in multimedia format to use for the various purposes. ICT is basic term used for processing, storage, and transfer of information with the application of computers and telecommunication technology in the task of information handling and information to flow from one generation to use. The ICTs are those technology that enables the handling of information and facilitate different form of communication. These include capturing technology, that is camcorders, storage technology, CD-ROMs, processing technology, application of software, communication technology, local area network, and displaying technology, computer monitors. Components used in information and communication technologies. First, we will discuss here computer technologies. Computers can further be divided into following categories. Workstations are expensive and powerful computers used mainly by engineers and scientists for sophisticated purposes, and these includes mini-frame computers, which are fast, large in capacity. Computers after the supercomputer occupies a special wired air-conditioned room, is capable of great processing speeds and data storage. Supercomputers are highly capacity computers that are the fastest calculating device, and it may be have a vector processing design or massively parallel processing design. Mini-frame computers are huge like refrigerator-sized machine. They work as servers in networks. Personal computers are known as PCs, are desktop, laptop, flooring standing or portable computer that can run easy-to-use programs such as word processing or spreadsheet. The technologies used in computers are microchip technology. It is a tiny piece of silicon that contains thousands of micro miniatures electronic circuit components, mainly transistors. The microprocessor of microcomputer, which process data, is made from microchips. Artificial intelligence. It is a group of related technologies that attempts to develop machines to emulate human-like qualities such as learning, reasoning, communicating, seeing, and hearing. Software technology consists of instructions step by step that command the computer in processing the data and what to do. Many application software packages are commercially available for various applications are used in the field of medicine, science, management, and for library and information science services, etc. CD-ROM technology. It is an acronym that stands for Compact Disk Read-Only Memory. Data is recorded in digital form. It is used to hold pre-recorded text, graphics, and sound. Communication technologies. Communication or telecommunication technologies are used to transmit information in the form of signals between remote locations using electrical or electromagnetic media as carriers of signals. Communication technology comprised the following: audio technology. It is the recent development in the production of compact disc, that is CDs. Audio technology can be used in libraries and information centers for a wide variety of purposes, such as storytelling to children, imparting education, knowledge, recreation, etc. Audio visual technologies are those by which things can be understood by listening as well as seeing. Audio-visual technology includes as such motion pictures, which are used as one of the instruments of mass media communication. It is the dynamic source of information, education, and recreation. Television is the one of the traditional and old information and communication technologies and programs which are telecast through major stations. CATV cable television system is a wide communication system of high capacity that flows from a central source through a major distribution cable to neighborhood lines and finally to the line into the house. Video disc. It can be used to disseminate computer programs, digital databases, educational video programs, and a range of electronic publication. Video text. It is the online information retrieval. The information is stored in computer files and accessed through the telecommunication link. Teletext is the one-way services to a large number of simultaneously users where information from a central database is broadcast as per of the regular television signal. The telephone is the longest source of established methods of electronic information transfer, especially to transfer the voice, which can be a strong means of dissemination information and keeping of what is being happened concerned organization and outside as well. Cell phone or mobile phones are based on the cellular radio technology. Mobile phones provides the facility to dial connections anywhere in the world as the user of mobile telephone moves from cell to cell. The radio telephone link switches from one central transmitter receiver to a sound while the call contains uninterrupted fax face smile transmission. It is a method of converting a image into electronic signals that can be transmitted over a communication link and converted back into a image at the receiving end. Email, which is called electronic mailing, is a system of exchanging messages in electronic format. It is the most used tool on the internet. It has brought a revolutionary changes in communication because any type of information such as personal notes, letter, documents, publication, computer program, even pictures and sound can be sent to or received from anywhere of the world within a fraction of second at a very cheap rate through electronic signal. Voice mail. It acts like a telephone machine that digitizes the incoming voice messages and store for retrieval later. It is an alternative system of email. Teleconferences are following 5 types of teleconferences. Teleconferences is a meaning or a meeting among people remote from one to another who are linked by a communication device such as telephone, television or computer. There are the following 5 types of telecommunication: audio teleconferencing, video teleconferencing, computer teleconferencing or computer conferences, document conferences, personal video conferences, satellite technology. Now let's discuss each and every one. Teleconferencing to the first is satellite technology, are formed of microwave transmission in that satellites which are positioned in space approximate 22,300 miles above the earth represent relay station for earth around the communication. Internet is a junction of a number of hardware and software resource or equipment to construct the infrastructure and to perform multiple functions. It is treated as virtual library. The Internet Internet is a junction of a number of hardware and software resources or equipments to connect the infrastructure and to perform multiple functions. It is treated as a virtual library where words information resources are gathered for the use of clientele. It has broken down the distance barrier in communication. It has greatly influenced the practice of librarianship. Access to information through internet has changed the total scenario of librarianship. Network technology. It is the function of network to interconnect computers and other communication devices so that data can be transferred from one location to another instantly. The computer networks is of two types: WAN, Wide Area Network; LAN, Local Area Network. Wide Area Network is a communication network that covers wide geographic area such as country or state. On the other hand, LAN, that is Local Area Network, is a communication network that covers limited geographic area such as campus or building. Reproduction technology. Reproduction technology is used to identify that field of information processing which concerned with technologies and equipment for the reproduction of document such as micrography technology and printed technology. Micrography technology contains reprography technology as micrography technology and microforms. Printer technology such as dot matrix printer, laser printer, inkjet, bulbjet, etc. The impact of information and communication technology on society. The impact of information and communication on society leads on business and industry, education, scientific use, medicine and healthcare, in engineering and manufacturing, in legal practice and law enforcement, in theatre, film and televisions, in home and day-to-day life, in national securities, in cultural and sports, in government jobs and services, in politicals and politics. Now we will discuss about the impact of information and communication technology in libraries. Today, information is the soul of the libraries as users are becoming tech-savvy. Electronic publishing technology with wide and global networking have given rise to the development of hybrid, digital and virtual libraries. The communication along with the internet has brought a paradigm shift in the information uses. It is the need of the user to know that where information is available, when and how user can use the information as per their need. Today, ICT has changed the libraries by storing the document, providing speedy access, easy to use, a large volume of information by interoperability and integrations. ICT in libraries refers to the use or application of various technologies such as computer, hardware, software that enable user to create, collect, store, consolidate and communicate information in multimedia format for various purposes. Technologies like reprographies, audio-video recording, storage devices, retrieval reproduction and dissemination of information in a library environment have taken fixed place in the libraries. Impact of ICT in traditional libraries. Information technology means a variety of technological applications in the process of communication of information. Today, information is the soul of the libraries as users are becoming tech savvy. Electronic publishing technologies with wide and global networking have given rise to the development of hybrid, digital and virtual libraries. The communication along with the Internet has brought a paradigm shift in information uses. Impact of ICT in traditional libraries are on that it is the need of the user to know that where information is available, when and how users can use the information as per their need. Today, ICT has changed the libraries by storing the document, providing speedy access, easier to use a large volume of information by interoperability and integration. ICT in libraries refers to the use or application of various technologies such as computer hardware, software that enable users to create, collect, store, consolidate and communicate information in multimedia format or for various purposes. ICT in libraries refers to the use or applications of various technologies such as computer hardware, software that enable user to create, collect, store, consolidate and communicate information in multimedia format for various purposes. Technologies like reprographies, audio-video recording, storage devices, retrieval reproduction, and dissemination of information in a library environment have taken fixed place in the libraries. Impact of ICT on library managerial operations and communication. With the ICT, library work has become easier, faster, cheaper, and more effective. A new change in the library services such as cataloging, reference services, circulation management, serials control, etc. are now done with automation. The routine works and information is recorded in electronic format using word processing, accounting, database management and communication with staff and users is done through email. The ICT helps to manage information overloaded as information retrieval is made easier in computerized systems. Computerization has saved space and reduces paper. For the libraries, ICTs had tremendously changed the management of resources or housekeeping operations as well as the way services are delivered. While journal IT application tools and integrated library management systems are largely used in housekeeping operations like acquisition, cataloging, circulation, control, serial controls, etc. The Internet has been used extensively as a resource as well as a tool to deliver the library and information services. Email is an essential method of communication both socially, commercially, and professionally. It is a means of communication between the library staff and the users. The speed of delivery, the availability to send to multiple recipients, the flexibility of using web-based email accounts for sending emails for various locations, the availability to attach other types of files such as images, the low cost involved in sending mail in bulk. Impact of ICT on library collection and format of the documents. With the information technology, the format of the document has changed from print to electronic. Today, libraries collections consist in both the format that is physical information sources such as books, periodicals, videos, films, etc. stored in physical library building, but now also comprised in digital resources too. Access to digital information resources is not restricted to specified time and place. The large number of digital information from other libraries and information centers is now available through the internet, intranets and extranets to the users in their own libraries. Users can access the required information at their remote place. The information seeking sources and searching tool of the libraries has changed from printed to electronic, such as printed tools that are card catalog, printed bibliographies, printed abstracts and indexes, etc. The e-tools for library collections are OPAC, Web OPAC, online databases, abstracts and indexes. Search engines for the web collections are Google, AltaVista, Advanced Search, All the Web, etc. Meta search engines, most of which are not recommended, others are just as subject directories, invisible web, that is called searchable databases. So now let's talk about the impact of ICT on library services and on users. This impact is on of the library networking, electronic document delivery, electronic reference services tool, library cooperation and resource sharing, institutional repositories, online user education or tutorials. Emerging technologies in libraries, social media. Component of library 2.0 or 3.0 are wikis, blogs, RSS, podcasting, instant messaging, SMS, MMS, social networking. Social networking tools, blogs, library websites. Let's explain. Social networking tools had made their way into libraries in this era of technology. Libraries are in the position to reach their user everywhere and communicate with them, crossing geographical and political barriers by shifting to Web 2.0 technologies. In this era of technologies, libraries are in the position to reach their user everywhere and communicate with them, crossing geographical and political barriers. These technologies are used as blog, Facebook, Flickr and YouTube, etc. Blogs are used for providing information related to libraries, works for library publicity and for marketing purposes, and get feedback and suggestions from the user. Library websites has become a medium of communication for libraries to their user. It is also used to promote the library and publishing it. So students, let us summarize what we have learned in this module. With the ICT application, the library is able to implement the laws of library science effects such as every user his her book information, save the time of the user, and library is a growing organism. The ICT with its tremendous information sources, rapid transmission, speed and easy access ensure the satisfaction of the user with complex demand, break down the distance barrier and shortens the time required and ensure the right information to the right reader at the right time. It also increase and solve the library's demand of collection development. It is really an excellent tool for the library and information center. The perceived role of libraries and librarians in an information society has now to cope with the demand of an information society. Librarians must have the knowledge, skills, and tools in handling digital information to be effectively creator, collector, consolidate, and information communicator of information. Librarians with the knowledge, skill, and tool required by information professional in an information society with the key success factors in enabling the library to perform its role as an information support system for society. Poor funding of ICT infrastructure, constant change of software and hardware, erratic power supply, insufficient bandwidth, lack of technical IT knowledge by the library staff, copyright and the intellectual property right management are the basic problems. The library has to be networked to be stocked with the core collection, that is multimedia, have to access to the global information, become digital and to become virtual. Thank you.